Hey guys, this is just a short video to tell you that I miss you and to thank you for all your messages, for your commitment, for being so amazing, and for giving me so much love. I saw some of the pictures of the things that you brought on Monday. Everything looked so delicious. Oh my god, you guys should be chefs. Like you're amazing and everything seemed delicious and you brought so much food. Oh my god. I hope nobody got sick from that. So thank you for working on that on Monday so responsibly on your own. Um and for always being there like for me, emailing me with beautiful words. Thank you guys very, very much. And I know this week has been a little crazy. Um, and especially because like we have so many classes together, it's really difficult. And also for my poor replacement, like poor Javi, really, he should be like going crazy. So be patient with him, guys. Be very kind because oh my god. Those are too many new classes for him. Um, but yeah, so I just wanted to thank you guys. Tell you that I miss you a lot. As I told you, I had well, a family thing. Basically, my grandma died. Um, and she lived with me. So it's been like really tough, especially of course for my mom, for my aunt. So I'm the one who's looking after the whole family. So during this time, I really have to be home. Um, so that's my story, guys. But I hope you're great. So I just wanted to, yeah, show you this video. To take like to take a look at the topics that you were supposed to study this week, which were basically comparatives and superlatives and future forms. So I won't be able to be with you tomorrow. So basically you're just going to finish this week on your own and well with Javier. Um so I hope you have these topics covered. If not, don't worry. So next week I'll be back on Monday. So guys, you can give me your story on Monday. I know we said Thursday, so tomorrow you were supposed to give it to me. But since I won't be there, you can give it to me on Monday, and it's okay. So you give me your story. Remember the fairy tale? We're also gonna do all the stars presentations that we're missing on Monday. Even the one that was for, I think we had a star on Tuesday, but the star for Tuesday, please bring everything ready for Monday so that we have all the presentations this day. Okay? Um, since we didn't do the quiz on the Elephant Man, we're gonna do the two quizzes on Monday. I'm sorry, guys, but we gotta do it, and that way we will be over with that. And we're gonna do some future activities. I have some really cool activities. So I'm gonna ask you to bring a deck of cards. I think you cannot see it here. A deck of cards. This is a deck of cards. I'm gonna show you. Hi, it's here. Move. Okay. So this is a deck of cards. A set of cards, basically. You can bring one for 3 people. So we're gonna do something with the cards. So please bring a deck of cards on Monday, okay? All right. Chin chin. So on Tuesday, we're gonna have a short review about all the topics that we have studied during the second term. And especially if you have any questions about comparatives, superlatives, and the future, that is the moment. because I know I wasn't there, so we need to check that everything's clear and that everything's okay. So if you have any questions, Tuesday is the day, okay, for that. On Wednesday, we're going to do the speaking, basically the same as we did last term. So I will email you with the time, and we'll take turns and we'll just talk a little bit. On Thursday, we're going to have the written exam. So remember grammar, listening, reading, and just grammar, listening, and reading. Oh my god, it's gonna be so short. It's gonna be great. You guys are gonna finish fast, and we're gonna go home early. Ha! So yeah, we don't have a writing part because that's the story that you're gonna give me on Monday. So yay! It's gonna be a short exam. So that's what's gonna happen next week. And guys, so thank you for your patience. Thank you for everything. And yeah, so do your best today and tomorrow. Be kind to teacher Javier, please. He's having imagine just teaching some classes out of nowhere. That's complicated. So please be super nice to him. And that's it. And I'll see you back on Monday. Okay? Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know, okay? And I'll see you next week. Take care, guys. Bye.